How to convert USDC to your USDT on your Binance. Open your Binance and press on your balance, and under balance you can see your USDC. So press on trade option in this case and press on, if you see the spot, then press on convert. Now select your USDC and to convert it to your USDT, so that's mean you need to enter your USDT here and press on max or enter your amount. I am selecting the max amount and press on a preview, and once you press on preview, then you can see the confirmation message. Press on confirm. Now it's convert as USDT. Now go back, press on home screen, and if you press on your balance, then you can see your no USDC, and you can see your USDT balance here. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.